Use Telegram without phone number. How to use Telegram without phone number. Now, if you are underage, for some reason you don't have a SIM card, which as a result you don't have a phone number. So Telegram app, whenever you open it up, you can see right off the bat, the first thing that it asks me to enter is my phone number. So there is no option for email address or other options as such. You have to have your phone number, and Telegram does this to make their platform much more secure. Now, unfortunately, it is not possible to use Telegram without a phone number, but just because you don't have a real phone number does not mean you can't use it. There are still some virtual phone numbers and some free versions or some premium versions of some phone numbers. So you can search for virtual phone numbers online right here, right? So search a virtual phone number, and the good thing is with that some of these you will also receive a verification code if Telegram sends you. So here you can go here, let's say go to your virtual number, any link. I'm just choosing a random link here. So like that, tap on the free option, just copy the number and come back to this Telegram app and sign up. You will also receive the code, and there are multiple sites out there which you can use as a virtual phone number. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.